Hello guys, in today's video we would like to show you some basic concepts in the linearity of functions. Now I'll be listing out some basic functions in which we know from our high school and in our colleges in our elementary algebra and elementary calculus. Now the first function in which we'll be given is if we have x plus y squared. We know it is linear if given in this form. Now I'll come back to that. Now we also have if we have the modulus of x plus y, which is equal to the modulus of x plus the modulus of y, which shows that it is linear. If we also have a rational function, which is given as 1 over x plus y, we can also say it's linear given by 1 over x plus 1 over y. Also given a trig function, which is sine x plus y, which we can have it as sine x plus sine y. And now the next one, which is our logarithmic function, which is log x plus y, which we know it to be log x plus log y. And now our exponential function, which is e raised to the power of x plus y, which is split as e raised to the power of x plus exponential raised to the power of y. And also we have the integral defined over the region x, f of f plus g d mu, which is equal as the integral defined over the region x of f d mu plus the integral defined over the region x g d mu. And lastly, we have the norm. The norm of f plus g is equal to the norm of f plus the norm of g. And the list goes on and on and on. Now we can now say that by inductive reasoning, the above functions are linear. Meaning it follows from functional analysis that t of alpha x plus beta y is equal to alpha t of x plus beta t of y. If you have any questions concerning this, please leave it in the comment section below and also like and subscribe. Thank you.